Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai kitchen. Today we're going to make a Mee Kati. Mee is mean a vermicelli. Kati mean coconut milk. And the ingredients is quite many. I just tell you one by one. Fried tofu, red curry paste, crushed roast peanut, minced chicken, tamarind juice, egg, dry chili, palm sugar, bean sprout, and long bean sliced. But these two we put after we finish when we're ready to serve. Fish sauce, coconut milk, and yellow bean. But I tell you the amount when we do the cooking, right? But first we need to soak vermicelli in the cold water about 5 minutes. But don't take all, yeah. If take all, you can have the whole village. Only one. That's it. I think this one 400 gram. I think about 100 gram of this one. Okay. After 5 minutes, yeah, we just boil in the hot water. Only a few seconds. Now we boil the water. And then we just boil in the hot water. Only a few seconds. Not a few seconds, 1 or 2 minutes. It's still hard because this brand quite hard, the vermicelli. Okay, and you wash with the cold water.
Why do you wash it with the cold water?
If not, the vermicelli stuck together. Okay, and then put garlic oil. You can check how to make garlic oil from the previous video. Okay, and just leave it. Okay, now we start to cook to make the sauce, right? Then we put the cooking oil. We fry dry chili first. Getting hotter, and then we put the dry chili and fry it. It's not too long. When you will see the color change, just lower the gas. Okay, that's it. But you can use the same oil to fry red curry paste with coconut milk. But just less the oil. Okay, now we fry curry paste, 1 tablespoon of curry paste. We add coconut milk. This one 400 ml, but we don't use this all. Yeah, put bit by bit. Yeah. But the color, this color not very red, yeah, because we used our homemade curry paste. Yeah, when this one dry, put bit by bit. If you use the red curry in the package, the color very red. Okay, when you smell coconut milk with the curry paste, after really smell, then you put the minced chicken. About 2-3 tablespoons enough. You want a little bit more red?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I can add a little bit. Want more red? You can put in the package. Another half tablespoon. Yeah. Now the color come out. Okay, when the chicken have cooked, add a little bit more coconut milk, a little bit more of water, 2-3 tablespoons. Alright. Okay, and keep on frying. We put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce first. Okay. And yellow bean. 1 tablespoon of yellow bean. Be careful, this one a little bit salty. 1 tablespoon palm sugar or coconut sugar. 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Quite nice.
Yeah, you're surprised, yeah?
We add a little bit more of fish sauce. Just a half tablespoon. Okay. And then we put tofu, fried tofu. Put 1 egg. And then we beat the egg first.
Make it thicker.
Yeah, make it thicker. I think the reason. And last, crushed roast peanut. I think 1 tablespoon enough. That's why I think maybe some people said the relative to pad thai because of egg, peanut, tamarind sauce, fish sauce. Yeah, and now we have the sauce. The sauce ready. Okay, now we put vermicelli. Yeah, the one we mix with the. You can finish with this one.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, we pour this one on top. And then put dry chili on top. For if you like hot, you can put more. And then sliced fine bean. And then raw bean sprout. If you have a banana blossom, you can slice and have with this one, but we don't have it. It is ready to serve.
So, give this a go. Mee Kati, I've never had this before. It looks a lot like Kanom Jeen. Even tastes similar. It's rich, creamy, spicy. Got levels of umami coming through. The coconut sugar. Definitely think it has more in common with Kanom Jeen than Pad Thai. But loads of people say this is kind of the brother or sister of Pad Thai. But again, there's so many different versions of this. You could definitely get the curry coming through, curry paste. The tofu is really good. Difficult to mix the long beans in. So give that a go, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.